Today we're going to talk about the difference between an OEM headlight, CAPA certified headlight, and aftermarket headlight. So there's three types of headlights. There's an OEM headlight, an aftermarket replacement, CAPA certified, and then there's an aftermarket replacement. And OEM means original equipment manufacturer. Typically on this car it's going to be made by Toyota. All Toyota specs. It's made by Toyota. When you flip the headlight over, you're going to see it's going to say Toyota. This headlight is depot. This is your CAPA certified aftermarket headlight. What that means is that it is not made by Toyota, so you will not get the, flip the headlight over, it's not going to say Toyota. It is a CAPA certified. What that means, it's insurance grade quality. It meets or exceeds the specifications of Toyota. It's a good quality headlight. It comes with a lifetime warranty against defects, anything of that nature. Now your aftermarket headlight, your standard or your lowest grade, is just a made cheapest possible headlight. There's no warranty on those lights. There's no specs that they typically run. So the mold is just make them and pump them out into the market. In some cases, from what we know, the CAPA certified headlights, it's actually a Toyota mold that has been used up and is passed on without the Toyota symbol. And that goes for many parts across the car world. So typically, your OEM headlight, because it is a specific manufacturer made, you're paying for the brand as well. So not only for the manufacturer, but you're paying. So here's the thing. Actually, there's a lot of manufacturers out there that sell and make the molds for the car manufacturer. So that the car manufacturer doesn't necessarily make them. They have another company making these headlights, and then Toyota comes in and stamps it with Toyota. Toyota might give the rights to that company and say, okay, well, you can continue to make the headlight without our Toyota emblem on there. Therefore, it is the aftermarket. But in some cases, when you get a Toyota headlight, you're paying for that brand. You're going to pay anywhere from 40 to 70% more than you would for just a CAPA certified headlight.
Our mission at Ready Car Parts is to help do-it-yourselfers and car enthusiasts get the job done by making auto body simple, professional, and affordable.